Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put a 2011 Dodge Durango in neutral. Begin by ensuring the engine is off and the parking brake is set, then locate the shift lever and ignition key. If the battery is dead, use the manual shift override panel or consult the owner manual for panel removal. Wear gloves and keep hands clear of moving parts, and have a helper assist with steering while in neutral. Start by parking the Durango on level ground and fully engaging the parking brake for safety. Turn the ignition off and remove the key so the transmission cannot shift unexpectedly. Place wheel chocks at both front or rear tires depending on slope direction. Keep gloves and a flashlight handy for working around the console and shift area, and ask a helper to stand by to control the steering while you operate the transmission override. Locate the small shift override panel at the base of the shifter and carefully pry it open with a flat tool or screwdriver. Insert the tool into the override slot and apply steady pressure while you depress the brake, then slide the shifter into neutral. Once shifted, have your helper gently rock the vehicle and check that the wheels move freely. Close the panel and keep the parking brake engaged until ready to tow or roll the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.